Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shilpa Data Insights. In this video, we will be discussing about the syllabus of Databricks Data Engineer Associate profile in detail. We will break down each module asked in Data Engineer Associate exam and elaborate each topic in the module. This is in the continuation of Databricks certification playlist. In the previous video, I explained about the first module that comes in the exam, that is Databricks Lakehouse platform. If you have not watched that video, then you can watch that first. I have pinned it in the I button and then come back to this video to get insights for the rest of the modules. So let's get started. This is one of the most important module that is there in the Databricks and comprises of the most number of questions. So don't forget or don't ignore this particular module. Okay. So in this, we have divided into three parts. One is relational entities, then we have ETL, and then manipulating the data with Spark SQL and Python. So in relational entities, if you are aware of, the entities are something like database, tables, and views, right? Then ETL is like extract, transform, and load, right? So extracting means extracting the data from some source, right? Then creating your tables, then doing some transformations or adding some UTFs, and then writing the data into your table, that is the load. The manipulating data with Spark SQL and Python. So you need to be aware of the syntax of Spark SQL and Python for manipulating the data. So in relational entities, if we deep dive into it, in database, you need to know how to create your database, how to modify your database, and how to delete your database. Then comes is the table. So there are two types of table that you can use in Databricks. One is managed and second is external, right? So you need to know what is the difference between managed and external. If in case you want to go ahead and drop the table, then what will happen with the data in the managed and what will happen with the data in the external tables. Then you also need to know how to create your managed tables and how to query it and how to modify the tables. Then comes with the views. What is exactly view? View is actually a layer on the top of the table. So it doesn't exactly store the data. It will actually query the data from the table itself. It's just an abstraction on the top of the table. And what is a temporary view? You need to know the difference between a view and a temporary view. And how you can go ahead and create your views and the CTA. You need to know about that as well. And what is the difference between views and delta table? Very important. So once you know about all these relational entities, then you need to also go ahead and know how to create your table, how to create your tables from the different file formats like Parquet, ORC, Delta, and how to create table as CTAs. Then you need to know how to write the data into the table. What are the different methods in which you can write the data into table? It could be an append, it could be an override, and what is the efficiency of these different operations. Once you have the extract and the load, you also know about the transformations. How you can go ahead and remove the duplicates from the data and then store it into table. What are the different types of joins like inner, outer, and left outer join, right outer join, and what are the high order functions? What is the set operator and how you can manipulate the nested data fields? Very important. Don't ignore this particular as well thing. And apply the SQL UTF. Whatever transformations are there, they are very important as per the Databricks certification exam perspective. So don't ignore the transformation, creating table and writing the data into the table. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, I will go ahead and cover the rest of the modules that are asked in Data Engineer Associate exam. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and I wish you have a good day.